In this video, we're going to look at esterification reactions. That's a fancy name for those reactions that help us make esters. Let's jump right in. So an ester, we remember, is a carbonyl compound with an oxygen and another carbon group on the other side. And there are two main reactions we might look at or want to learn on how to make esters. One is called the Fischer esterification. And that's where a carboxylic acid reacts with an alcohol a little bit of acid is used, usually maybe a catalytic amount of sulfuric acid. So that just means a couple of drops of concentrated sulfuric acid. We lose an H and an OH, so water falls off. And then this oxygen, with these waters removed, this water removed, will now bond to this R prime. And we make our ester. So that's a very common way to make esters, a Fischer esterification. Carboxylic acids and alcohols. Another way of doing it is, instead of having this bad OH leaving group on the carboxylic acid and using a proton source to form a water so you can have a group leave, is to turn the OH of the carboxylic acid into a better leaving group. So we can use thionyl chloride, SOCl2, and turn carboxylic acid into the OH into a chloride, an acid chloride. So this carboxylic acid become an acid chloride, and this is a good leaving group. And then when you put in the alcohol, instead of losing water, with this better leaving group, you lose HCl, hydrochloric acid, and that can lead to R, C double bond O, you lose HCl, and I have an O, R prime on the other side. So you might put a little bit of base in there, maybe some pyridine or something, to soak up the HCl that's made, but that's also a very good way to make esters. So I hope that video helps. Click on some of the other videos in this series and learn more about organic chemistry.